How to check your appointments calendar in Hosting Website Builder Booking. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take a look to your calendar of your Hostinger calendar or booking page into your builder. So it is going to be a very easy step. The goal or the objective from this video is going to show you how you can find the specific booking appointments of the let's say here appointments or meetings or let's say conferences that you have put into your hosting your booking system, and the clients has been reserving that feature. So the process is going to be very easy. You're going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see the platform or the H panel. Now, once you are on the H panel, which is this one or this page, you're going to head over the websites by clicking on the website on the left side of the screen. Select from the extended menu websites list, and then make sure that you're going to use the official logo of the hosting website builder, which is going to be represented with this discontinued square. Then what are we going to do is to click on Manage Store. The first thing that I'm going to suggest for you is to make sure that we have at least added the specific availability time, also the blocking time on the appointments. So also you need to enable the appointments. So you are going to head over appointments, enable the appointments, and from here you're going to see all the appointments of yours. So we are going to edit the availability, make it from, for example, here the time zone, also the days, and also the hours of working. And then you're going to here to click on save. Once you have clicked on that, you're going to set up the blocking time or the days that you're going to be off. For example, I have chosen 2 days, and then you're going to see the calendar. Basically, this is your calendar, as you can see, and you can go ahead and set up the product or the booking, as you can see from here. So you are going to add a product, and that product is going to be an appointment. Set up everything about that product, and then you're going to have everything set up. So I'm going to put it on the description. Then the amount is going to be, for example, something like that, and you're going to save everything. So duration 30, for example, I'm going to put this, and we are going to save it like that. Whenever a person has booked as you can see, an appointments, you're going to see them in here. For example, you can go ahead and click on any of the appointments. You can see them also on the orders since they are going to be some products. So whenever you're going to have an appointment, you're going to see them on the order. You're going to get the exact date so you can send an invoice. Also, you can see them in here. So it is going to be mentioned that you have an appointment in here at the hour of, I don't know, they have selected, and etc. And when you are going to find the specific appointments that your clients has put or have put, you're going to manage them. For example, you can cancel them, you can send the invoices about them, and also you can organize them and put them only in one sheet. For example, if you're going to be a specific person that likes writing, like me, you're going to put a piece of paper, then you're going to make a reminder for your specific appointments that you have in here. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.